YouTube. Punksy Jumper here. Oh, weren't we supposed to see you taking a back scratch? But today is Sawdust Day. Most of you know what Sawdust Day is all about, but I got a few new subs. And if you don't know what Sawdust Day is all about, you're about to find out. I got two horses down there. Well, the stalls are down there. The hay burners are up there in the pasture. But what I do when I make their stalls up, I lay down some sawdust and then I cover it a little bit with some pine shavings. Because pine shavings is very costly and the sawdust is free at the sawmill. So what we do is we get a bunch of feed sacks. There's 25 bags there. Get the old muck shovel, throw it in the truck, and we head over to the Amish sawmill. Sunday, nobody's over there working, and it's about 20 minutes, 20 minutes away. So we'll take a ride over there and we'll show you what we do once we get there. On our way to the sawmill, so you're probably gonna get out and open the gate.
How do you do that?
And then close the gate.
Not lock it, no, just put the thing out.
Throw the cable on. Stay tuned. Alright. Sweetie Pie closes the gate. Got the neighbor's ponies out here. And there's a good view of the countryside.
He's come out, he's peeping around the box in his in.
Yeah, I think she's gonna get some hay. There's the Amish schoolhouse. Carport. Yeah, there's the view.
Can't buy that.
So there you go. And as we'll go down Muskrat Slide. Yeah!
Yeah, the only place where Jim's ever lost the car.
from a sawmill.
Oh, they got some logs there. Look.
Man, somebody's busy. Somebody's busy. So what we do is we go to this back mill over here, and they blow the sawdust in these trailers. And we gotta climb up in the trailer and fill up the bags. Ooh, it's soupy in here. And then we bring them home. That's it. That mill right there is where we're heading. That's the trailer right there that we'll be getting up in. So I can get back in here without having to get stuck. It's always a wonderment seeing what's the trailer looking like. So we'll be back. Okay, here we are in the trailer. There's the bags. Here's the sawdust. we had to crawl up into this one. This change of plans. That's our trailer over there, but it's a different trailer, and the way the back is, ain't no way to get into it. So we come over here to this one. Just made us a ledge. I did have to come in here and shovel out a place so this door would swing open, but so I could get my sweetie pie up in here. They're already covered in sawdust. Get more sawdust on you than getting the bags.
That's all right.
So we're gonna get to cutting the strings, filling the bags, and we'll check back with you. Stay tuned. Okay, there's our 25 bags loaded up and tossed out the back. Now we're gonna throw them on the truck. Okay, loaded the truck up. Back at the house. Now we're gonna unload it into the shop. Never ends. Soon it'll end. Yeah. And there it is. 25 bags, loaded, stacked. That'll last us a couple weeks, and then we do it again. So that, my friends, is Sawdust Day. Hope you enjoyed it. Just one of the things we do around here. Right, boy? Jack wants feed. What the?
Jack knows all about it.
You want feed? Whoop!
He's ready for his feed.
He wants feed.
You want your dinner? Come on, man.
Alright.
Time to go.
What do you want, boy? You want some feed? Yeah, he wants feed. Yeah, he wants feed. Alright, I'm gonna go in, have a nice cup of tea. Catch up with you later. Stay sharp.